guys, we're doing another video where we pick a color and make a character with it. So
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick it. So I'm gonna close my eyes. You can't see I'm closing my eyes, but I'm really young. Okay. Green and blue. Okay, I can do something with these colors.
Okay.
Let me just get it. Okay. Now you just wait here. So I'm just waiting for my friend. And these are my colors.
Oh, I got orange and red.
Okay.
Mara, do you say this is the orange?
Yeah. Okay. Can you get the papers, please, Miss Vanessa? Okay.
Just let me get the...
Got my sketch pencil and
Hi,
time.
guys. We're drawing something.
Okay.
But you can only use...
So don't mind that voice. That's just my friend videoing her video because the phone got dropped, so it stopped the video.
Yeah.
Say hi, Vanessa.
Hi, Mara.
Okay. So now I got my
Just
colors.
get the paper.
Okay. Now
This is what I use for
I'm-
my YouTube channel.
what should we draw?
Hi.
Oh, let's draw like a cute character. Like a cutie character, right? Or should we draw a human? I got a good idea.
What?
A wolf human. I mean a cat human.
A cat human, so both of us are making a cat human.
Yep.
Okay.
First, I get my sketch pencil. Like the last time, I'm gonna video Vanessa and Vanessa videos sketching.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna sketch. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. So this is mine so far. We're quiet.
And this is mine.
We're quiet because we're constant.
And this is mine so far. So comment below what character we should do next, right, Amara?
Yep.
Okay.
This is my character so far.
This is mine.
He's gonna have high socks. You better not copy.
I'm not.
Okay. This is mine so far, and that's Vanessa.
That's Amara's, and this is mine.
That's Vanessa's, and this is mine.
Oh, wait. Sorry you can't see my screen. I just have to get one thing.
Sorry you can't see my screen. I do need one thing. Okay. Huh? What? There's something wrong.
Oh, there.
There.
Sorry.
Sorry
we
for that.
had
But we're gonna do a surprise where we're gonna lay it down and it's gonna be a surprise. Wait, Vanessa, how are you doing that? So guys, you might be asking questions like, how did you start your YouTube channel, right?
yeah.
So, how I started my YouTube channel. So when I was 3 years old, I wanted the YouTube channel. Then I asked my mom. Then she allowed me. I got super happy, and that's how I got my YouTube channel.
Well, how I got my YouTube channel is I asked my mom. She said okay. And then I was friends with Samara. And then we were just playing and playing. And then after that, after I was making videos, my mom said I couldn't do any more YouTube. So I was confused. But one day, I got my YouTube channel back.
So I just got an extra pink because I want to. So can I have the skin tone?
Okay.
Okay, so let's do some satisfying. Let's do some satisfying sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here and oh, that is so satisfying. So let me color her.
And what are we doing so far? This is our so far.
This is Vanessa's and this is mine.
This is Amara's and this is mine.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna do some magic. So I'm gonna open this pink. I'm gonna do some. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do some light less. Okay. This is some cool magic. How are you doing, Vanessa?
Good.
Beep.
And sorry you hear that noise. That's just her phone.
Yeah. But no one's gonna answer.
Oh my god.
Finally, it fell down.
And you want more of this? Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, right?
Yeah. Can I have that?
Okay. Should we tell them about this?
What giveaway? Nah. I need this. Okay. No, I'm not done with that. Well, Vanessa's drawing hers. You guys can comment some questions, then we will reply to your questions.
Yeah.
Okay?
And you'll like our videos, comment down below.
Yep. So her name is gonna be Violet.
Mine is gonna be named, maybe Sarah.
Eh, yung si Bert na taga-maintenance ba sa baba?
I'm sorry to hear that.
Kung sino marunong na mag-gawa ng screen dito. Ay, andyan siya sa baba. Hintayin ka na lang. Ang mga anong oras ka daw ba?
She's a nice girl.
Natapos ka na ba?
And Vanessa is kind of nice.
Hintayin ka pa. Babaan ka na lang siya. Para hindi ka
So
na-
time to show.
And you want to see how our drawings look so far? This is how it looks so far. This is mine and this is Amara.
Pero kuya, yung si Bert, babaan ka na lang po dyan mamaya pag bumaba sa akin.
Okay, time to color the hair. Okay, now we're gonna go back to our drawing. So this is mine so far. And this is Vanessa's. Okay. Sorry if you hear that.
Yeah, that's just our phone.
If you're kind of bored, and don't worry, you can ask some questions in the comments.
Yeah, and we will answer them in our YouTube channel.
Yep. We're very quiet because we're very concentrated.
Yes.
Okay. So this is mine so far, and this is Vanessa's.
Yeah, and this is mine, and this is her. So hope you like it a lot.
Yep. Okay, we're gonna go back to drawing now on our screen. So this is mine so far, and that's Vanessa's. Yeah, we usually say. moving on back to Vanessa. This is mine, and that's Vanessa's.
Yep. And sorry you can't see anything. I'm just waiting for a moment.
I'm sorry if you can't see anything also, because I'm just waiting for Vanessa. Why is there...
We will show you our drawing when it is done. Right,
Yep.
Mara?
You forgot to add the saddles.
Oh my gosh.
You forgot to add the saddles, Vanessa. You guys might be asking, why do we not do this every day? Well, we just came up with this idea yesterday.
Yep.
So comment down below.
So comment down below what to be doing next. Yeah. Hopefully you like this video. Comment below.
And the word, now we're gonna do this for now. So, the word of today is transform into wolf. If you put that in the comments, I'll heart your comment.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
Yep. We're just adding a little bit more details.
Yep, look at my brush.
Nice.
Is he sewing my tummy? Okay, we're gonna show you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is mine.
This is mine, and this is Amara.
I added the saddle, and this is hers.
Yep. And comment below and you like it
Yeah.
or not. Bye bye. Bye bye.